Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good morning to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see a very important setting to be disabled to stop inappropriate channel content on YouTube. For example, if you are a parent or elderly person in a family and if you want to restrict few of the YouTube channels to appear on your phone or your kids phone or something like that, you can do that. So there's a lot of content available on YouTube. For the safety concern, few of the channels may be not wanted. Some unwanted channels will also appear as the recommendations for that. How you can stop them? You can click on this YouTube app, open YouTube app. So when you open YouTube app, when you are scrolling, you will come across lot of channels. And just if you want to block or stop inappropriate channels on your YouTube feed, you can do one thing. See, for example, right on my channel, I'm showing you with this example because this is my channel, there won't be any problem. If you feel any channel which is the content is inappropriate for you, not suitable for you, or not wanted by you, you can click on the three dots. Means this is on the feed, you need to click on these three dots. Then there is a option called don't recommend this channel. You need to tap on this. Once you tap on this, next time YouTube won't recommend this channel on your feed. Even though if you receive 2 to 3 videos later, for example after some time, do the same action for 2 to 3 times so that you never won't be see this content again. So in this way you can actually block inappropriate channels on YouTube so that YouTube will recognize your interest, so it won't recommend those channels for you. So in this way you can block inappropriate channels. If you like this video, please do share to your relative and friends, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.